Hello everyone and welcome to a new unboxing video by Fepy. Today we're going to take a look at this 18-volt cordless drill and driver by Bosch. This tool is one of the best DIY tools in the world. If you struggle to drill at your home, this cordless machine is an amazing addition to your home kit. Alright, let's go ahead with the unboxing. Here we have our instruction manuals. And here we have the Bosch drive and driller attached to a battery. Here we have our charger. We have an extra battery right here. And here we've got all types of drilling bits. And in this one, we've got all the types of drivers and an extension head. Now let's take a look at this cordless drill. Here we have the power button, and it's actually sensitive to the pressure from your hand, so you can control the speed. We have this button here to change the direction of the drilling, so it can go backwards. We have a button here to control the speed. You can choose from 1 or 2. And we have 2 wheels here. One is to control the mode. You can choose between driving, drilling, or hammering alongside with the drilling. This wheel controls the torque. We can choose from 1 to 20. And we've got a button here to replace the battery. It's that simple. Now, if you would like to buy this product, you can find it at fepy.com, or you can click the link in the description. You can also buy it directly from our stores at the locations in the description. Now I'm going to show you the performance of this cordless drill. Let's go!